Hi there, this is Victor here. This is quite weird for me. We're normally at the show talking to you. This is first time we're doing it. We got the power carving unit here for you. We're going to show you how it works, and also if you have any comments, please leave them down below. Power carving unit is our very first and our very own power source to feed all of our Arbortech attachments. Now, this power source comes with a variable adjustable speed here, as you can see, 1 to 6, from when you're cutting to when you're sanding. Now it allows you to drop your RPM all the way down for when you're sanding. We also have vibration reduction handle and these very cool accessories. So we got the leveling guide, now allowing you to adjust your depth and how much timber you're shaving, and also the chip catcher without the leveling gauge, but now allowing you to skew wood out in any sort of direction. You can also use our sanding kit with our leveling guide or with our chip catcher. With the leveling guide, it's pretty much dustless, so you have sanding pretty much with no dust. And this very special little fan here, this propeller, is in charge of removing all of those shavings and putting them straight through the tube and into a vacuum. Now the turbo plane works amazingly well with the power carving unit. The leveling guide gives that extra advantage of adjusting that depth and allows you to get rid of the first layer of paint, the first layer of anti-foul in a boat, or even just cleaning out timber. Leaves a really nice and smooth finish. Then you can come with your sanding system and finish it off. By the way, the turbo plane is not included, but we do have it as a bundle. As you can see here, this is the leveling guide, this is a chip catcher, and as mentioned before, the power carving unit is the only power source that will be able to take these accessories. The gap between here and there and the dimension here to go on top of the angle grinder is very unique to fit our power source. As you can see, it will go straight on top and it will fit nice and tight all the way down, giving us that advantage of suction for when you use it with your vacuum or dust extraction, and obviously when you're sanding or shaving timber. Alright, that's it. That's the power carving unit. I hope I've covered everything. If not, please leave all your questions below.